video, I'm going to teach you how to paste without formatting in Microsoft Teams. This is a handy trick that will save you time, preserve the look of your messages, and maintain consistency and clarity in your communications. By following these steps, you'll be able to share information seamlessly without worrying about unwanted fonts, colors, or styles interfering with your team's chat. First, sign into Microsoft Teams by opening the desktop application or your web browser and entering your login credentials. Once you're signed in, navigate to the chat or team channel where you want to paste your text. Working in the correct context ensures that your message reaches the right audience and keeps your workflow organized. Next, copy the text you want to paste, highlight the text from the document, email, or web page you're working from, and press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. This stores the text on your clipboard and prepares it for pasting. It's important to ensure you copy the exact portion of text you need, as this will help you keep your message concise and clear. Now return to Microsoft Teams, click into the message box where you want to paste your text. To paste without carrying over any formatting, hold down Ctrl+Shift and then press V on Windows. Mac users can use Command+Shift+V. This shortcut inserts your text in plain format, matching the default team style. Your message will now appear neat and professional, consistent with any previous messages in the chat. Using this method prevents any unexpected changes in font size or color that can happen if formatting is carried over from other sources. This is especially useful when sharing information from multiple platforms, such as emails, Word documents, or web pages, which often have different styles that could make your messages look messy. Maintaining clean, standardized text in Teams improves readability and ensures that your colleagues can focus on the content rather than distracting formatting. It also helps create a professional appearance across your communications, which is particularly important in work environments or when sharing critical information with clients or team members. With a little practice, pasting without formatting will become second nature. Anytime you need to share text in Microsoft Teams, you'll be able to do it quickly and efficiently, keeping your messages consistent, organized, and easy to read. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it improves your experience using Microsoft Teams. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks to make your team's workflow smoother and more professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.